Wall Street is bracing for the next major inflation checkpoint, as traders focus on fresh consumer price index data and its implications for the S&P 500. Headline CPI will be scrutinized for any re-acceleration in prices, particularly in shelter, services, and energy, after months of uneven progress toward the Federal Reserve's 2% target. Core CPI, which strips out food and energy, is the figure equity desks are watching most closely, with even a tenth of a percentage point surprise capable of moving index futures sharply. Options markets are already pricing in elevated volatility around the release, as investors reassess the timing and depth of potential Fed rate cuts. A softer-than-expected print would likely reinforce the soft landing narrative, supporting risk assets and potentially pushing the S&P 500 toward recent highs. Conversely, a hotter CPI reading could revive fears of higher-for-longer rates, pressuring growth stocks, lifting treasury yields, and testing key technical support levels on the SPX. For investors, this CPI release is less about a single number and more about whether the disinflation trend remains intact. The next catalyst to watch: the market's reaction in Fed funds futures and the tone of upcoming Fed speeches in the days immediately following the CPI report.